Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to find your headphones Pixel Buds Pro 2. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your headphones. Then scroll down a little bit and click find device. Now choose the best one, the right one or the left one earbud to play a song. So let's say I wanna play it on left one. So I click on it. Now it's make a sound and I can increase the volume of the sound by increase the volume on my phone. Here we go. Now if I find it, I just click again and it stopped. Also I can do it with a right one or both. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!